Guys, how to solve this integral? Integral 3 sin x minus 4 cos x plus 5 secant² x minus 2 cosecant² x. Okay, so first of all, we will do like this. Okay, it is equals to 3 integral sin x dx minus 4 integral cos x, okay, dx, because we are integrating it with respect to x. Then 5 integral secant² x dx minus 2 integral cosecant² x dx. Okay, so after that we will apply their formulas, like sine integration of sin x is minus cos x. I am writing simultaneously minus cos x, okay, minus 4 cos x integration is sin x, okay, plus 5 secant² integration is what, tan x, minus 2 cosecant² integration is minus cot x, okay, plus c, because we have integrated. After that we will just set it properly, then it's done. Okay, like this, minus 3 cos x minus 4 sin x plus 5 tan x, okay, minus minus plus 2 cot x, this minus and this minus, plus c. This is our required answer.